Hi friends, I am here today to demonstrate it to you one of our popular products known as folding flyers. This is a set of 5 ready to fly paper aircrafts to be flown indoors. However, you may try to fly it outdoors in case there are no winds and the dry atmosphere. This set is meant for learning the basic flight control of the aircraft. So, it is recommended for the children of age 10 and above. These models are kept as a bunch inside the instruction booklet like this. So, always take out the entire bunch out, and when you want to put it back, assemble the whole bunch and then put it inside. Never try to extract only one single aircraft out or put it back in. It will definitely be spoiled. Now extract one aircraft out of this and put the others away. Notice that the aircraft is already folded and you have to unfold it. So to unfold it, hold the wings and just pull on both the sides till the center portion pops up. Then hold the aircraft in a suspended manner. There is a contact. Break this contact and hold the stabilizer completely down and keep it level. So your aircraft is now ready. Before you fly the aircraft, see the parts provided in this to control the flight of the aircraft. These moving parts on the rear of the wingtip of the aircraft are called as ailerons, and these ailerons control the rolling of the aircraft. So this is rolling. They control the rolling of the aircraft. When the aileron is moved up, the air pressure builds up on the top and then the wing is pressed down. So the aircraft will roll on that side. Instead of that, if you make the aileron down, then the air pressure will build on the lower side. The wing will be lifted up and the aircraft will roll on the opposite side. It is very important to remember that the deflection of the control should be very little, otherwise the flight will be completely spoiled. The rear tips of the stabilizer are called elevators. These elevators can be moved up or down. When you move them up, the air pressure builds on these areas and the nose of the aircraft is lifted up. When you turn them down, the air pressure is built on the lower side and the nose of the aircraft is turned down. This is called as a pitching control. It is always better to keep these elevators perfectly level, or better still, slightly moved in the upward direction. You must make the test flight first to see that all the controls are set properly. Hold the model always by nose. Point it slightly downward and push lightly ahead. In the test flight, in case your aircraft turns to the left or to the right, then control it by making the use of the ailerons. You may have to take several test flights before you get a real straight test flight, but you must spend that time if you want to fly the further stunts successfully. Now you can fly it to make the stunts. Hold it by nose and launch forcefully downward. See how it makes a very clean loop. To get it back, hold it like this with the nose facing to the sky. Launch it forcefully upward and forward. It will make a nice reverse loop and land onto your hands. For the horizontal loop, hold the aircraft like this, the body horizontal and the wings vertical, and launch it forcefully sideways. It will make a wonderful horizontal loop and will get back into your hands. The nail in the nose controls the size of the circle. When you take the nail forward, it increases the speed of the aircraft and you can make a larger loop. When you put it inside, the speed of the aircraft reduces and then it makes a smaller circle. Of course, when you want a larger circle with the nail slightly outside, you also have to launch more forcefully and accurately to get a successful horizontal or vertical loop. Enjoy the flying now. You can discover your own stunts also. And in case you are really very curious to know how all this happens, then read my books. How do aeroplanes fly? In English as well as in Marathi. And you will be able to understand everything about the flying of the model as well as the real aircraft.
For books by Mr. Madhav Khare, visit www.jyotsnaprakashan.com. For many other products from paper gliders up to remote control planes, exhibitions, workshops, lectures, etc., write to hilarious.aeroclub@gmail.com or kharemg@gmail.com.